Hello everyone, welcome to Learning X. Again, we have come with another premium dashboard. This time, we will make a professional dashboard for HR department. It's a must-watch dashboard for people with HR background and for Excel lovers. There are plenty of dashboard tutorials in our channel. If you love dashboard, don't miss to watch those tutorials. You will be amazed with our collection. So let's start. First of all, let's look at the dataset by which we'll make our full dashboard. Here we have a report from HR department which is showing the performance record for 1 year. We have absent rate, turnover rate, training effectiveness rate, number of complaints, number of trainings, budget cost for the department, etc. for full 1 year. We'll make charts like absent rate, turnover rate, training effectiveness rate, and employee below performance standard. We'll make chart from employee satisfaction rate with engagement rate, budget versus cost for the department, dismissal by employer and employee, number of trainings and number of complaints. And we'll also make a data house by conditional formatted data, and we'll design the full dashboard. So this is what we'll make in this dashboard. So let's start. At first, create a sheet and rename it with dashboard. Select the full sheet, change the color. Go to insert and take this shape, resize it and reshape it. Then change the color to white and give no outline. For effect, give outer shadow effect. Then go to insert and illustration once more and bring this shape, place it and change the color to blue, give no outline, and for effect give a shadow effect. Make one more copy of this, resize it and make 2 more copies. Now for the first one, change the color with green, second one golden color. Make one more copy, resize it and reshape it. Change the fill color, make few more copies as per the requirements of our infographics. And our basic designing for dashboard is done. Now we'll bring this clipboard and we'll place it in the shape. We'll give outer shadow effect. We'll copy all the clipboards. We'll place it. Now we'll go to insert and we'll go to shape. We'll bring this shape, we'll resize it and reshape it. We'll bring this one. We are doing this to create a navigation pane. Give this one a white color fill. Now keep the clippers into that shape. Go to text box, bring a text box and give the title dashboard. Give it Arial black font. Keep this data box here. Fill it with white color. Copy this text box and just change the name. which is data. Data house. Now we'll go to analyze part. Here we'll link the cell with this one. We'll drag it down. We'll remove this one with 0. We'll make it all border. Now we'll go to developer, insert, and we'll insert this. Now we want to link it with this cell, and for input range we'll give the name of the month. Here January to December, and one is yearly average. We'll type it here, or we can make a copy. January, we'll drag it down till December, and then we'll type yearly average. Right click, format control, input range. I'll select this and OK. Now if we type June, it will show 6, December it will show 12. It's indicating the number. Now I will type index formula. For that I will type index and I'll select this as my array. I'll lock it with F4. For row number, I'll give match formula. I'll type match. For lookup value, I'll select this absent rate. And for lookup array, I'll select this. I'll give F4 to lock this, or you can do this by manually typing $0 for exact match. And for column number, I'll select this and I'll lock it with F4, close bracket, enter. Now if I just change the month, it will show the data of the respective months. I'll drag it down. Now I'll change the format with percentage format, and for number I'll give currency. Now I'll use a max formula. I'll type max, I'll select this row and I'll multiply it 1.1. And for employee satisfaction rate and employee engagement rate, I'll just give 100%. Now we'll make a fast chart. I'll select this. A chart will come. I'll remove all the unnecessary part. And I'll copy and paste it in my dashboard. I'll give no fill and no outline. For series, I'll give this gray color and I'll go to format. I'll give 90% to donut hole size. Then I'll give a shadow effect. I'll select the first series, format data series, and in border I'll give a solid line with a color of golden. And for white I'll type 12. So the chart will look like this. I'll go to insert text box. I'll place it here. I'll link it with the title. I'll give Arial color font. A shadow effect. Now I'll go to analyze tab I'll make a line chart with this data. I'll remove axis, chart title, and everything from this. I'll give the same color as like the other charts. I'll give no fill and no outline. Now I'll place it in this chart. So it will look like this. I'll reposition it. Then I'll insert another text box. And I'll link it with that percent so that it will give the result. I'll change the font to Arial black and I'll make it the same color as like the chart. I'll increase the size of the font and it's done. Our first chart is done. I'll change the color, the shape with a specific color and it is changed. I have given all the color code in the info tab. You can check that to use the same color. Now we'll go for a second chart. For that we'll copy this and we'll paste it in our analysis tab. Now we don't have to create another chart. We'll just change the linking for both charts and our chart will be ready. Then we'll do the exact same thing that we have done earlier for absent rate chart. We'll give no fill and no outline. We'll change the color. We'll give a shadow effect. We'll bring the text box to give title and we'll link it to the specific cell. We'll also change the color. We'll also bring the text box to give a percent. Change the white to 12 pt and it's done. And we'll continue like this till we create 4 charts. One is for absent rate, one is for turnover rate, one is for turning effectiveness rate, and one is for employee with below performance standards. I'm skipping with a high speed as this is the same task I'm showing. I'm just changing the data. The chart is same. I'm just changing the color. So I'm making it quite faster. I'll do same for the 4th chart. For color, you can go to info tab. There I have given all the color code. You can take any color and you can make the same dashboard with that color. Okay, our 4 basic chart is done. Now we'll go to insert text box. We'll make one more copy of this. We'll go to format, shape fill, no fill. We'll do the same thing for both of the text box. Now we'll link this one with monthly budget HR department. This is the title and we'll link this with the budget. Now we'll format it. We'll change the font to Arial black. We'll replace and reposition this. We'll increase the font size and it's done. Now we'll copy these 2 text box and we'll paste it in the second one and the third one. We'll link it with number of training and we'll link it with the data for number of training. Then we'll link it number of complaint and the data with number of complaint. Now I'll just format the formatting and I'll paste it in those shapes, and for the last one I'll give this golden color. Now I'll remove this. I'll select monthly budget, HR department and monthly cost. Then I'll create a bar chart, a 2D bar chart. I'll remove all the unnecessary parts from the chart. I'll place it in dashboard. I'll change the color. First one is with blue color and second one is with green color. We'll give a shadow effect, outer shadow effect. We'll bring text box. We'll place it here. Then we'll give the title HR department budget versus cost. We'll change the color. For this chart, we'll give no outline and no fill. We'll remove this. We'll give a data level inside end. Make it white color and bold it. Resize it. Now again go to analysis and make a line chart between monthly budget HR department and monthly cost HR department with full data. Remove all the unnecessary text, titles. To the line, give no fill and no outline and place it in dashboard. Give no outline and it's done. Give a shadow effect. Go to analysis, remove this. This time select dismissal by employer and employee. Remove the chart title. Give no fill and no outline. Copy this and paste it in dashboard. Change the first one with blue color and second one with green color. Position it in the right corner of the dashboard and it's done. Go to analysis sheet, remove it, then make a chart with employee satisfaction rate. This time we'll use a tricky method. We'll not insert bar chart, rather we'll insert a radar chart. Need to look like this with one data. We'll remove all the unnecessary parts. We'll format no fill and no outline. in format data series. We'll make it 50 pt, and join type will make it bevel. In grid lines, we'll change the size to 12 pt. We'll give a shadow effect for both grid lines and the data. We'll change the color. We'll go to format data series. We'll bring a text box. We'll place it here and we'll link it with the percent. We'll change the font. We'll change the color too. We'll give a shadow effect. We'll increase the size of the font. We'll copy this text box. We'll link it with this employee satisfaction rate, so it will show the title. We'll change the color to black. We'll give Arial black color font, and it's done. Now we'll copy and paste it here, and for this one we'll just change the data. That's it. Now we'll select this data. We'll go to format data series and we'll make it 50 pt and bevel, and we'll change the title and we'll change the percent. We'll change the color of the percent with green color, and also the chart will make it green. We'll go to analysis and we'll copy this one and we'll paste the button here. We'll place it near the search option. Now we'll go to format control and we'll change the range, and we'll also change the cell range. Then we'll make one more copy of the dashboard and we'll remove all the charts and infographics from the dashboard. We'll rename it with data house. Then we'll make one more copy of the dashboard and we'll rename it with home. We'll go to dashboard page. We'll link this home with home, dashboard with dashboard, and data house with data house. We'll do the same thing by going to data house sheet and in home sheet. We'll link with one another. We'll link home with home, dashboard with dashboard, data house with data house. And in home, we'll change the color of the home button to this light orange color. Then in data house, we'll remove the shape from dashboard and we'll place it in data house. We'll change the color of data house to black and we'll change the dashboard color to white color. Then we'll bring this shape in perfect place. Okay, now it's working perfectly. Now we have to do one more thing, that in home tab we have to remove these shapes. We'll color it with white color. We'll also fill the shape with white color. Now we'll make it group and we'll link it once more, dashboard to dashboard and data house with data house. Now the navigation pane is working fine. Now we'll go to our analysis sheet. We'll change the theme and color of this sheet. We'll color it with our theme color. And we'll give conditional formatting to this data. I'm just giving you can change the conditional formatting rules from the setting. I'm just giving the default rules. Now we'll make a copy of it and we'll place it in the dashboard. I'm pasting it in picture mode. We'll resize it to fit in the page. Then we'll go to home tab and we'll insert a picture, which is our cover page. Already I have made it in PowerPoint. You can make these sorts of cover page in Adobe Illustrator or Photoshop, even in PowerPoint. Then fit it in the page. Our dashboard is done. Now it's fully dynamic. If you just change the month, the full dashboard data will be changed automatically according to that month. I hope you have enjoyed the video and don't forget to subscribe our channel for more attractive videos. If you love dashboard, don't miss out to watch the playlist of dashboard from our channel. Thank you.